kapal ng kugon. Grabe ang kapal ng kugon grass na ano nila atop, oh. Kugon. Kahit ilang taon yan. Kapal o kugon. Kugon ang mga atop nila. Yung mga atop kugon. Grabe. How many years this roof made?
How many years can it last?
Oh, maybe like actually 10 years is strong.
10 years.
They will after
Even 10 years is
they will renew.
still strong.
This is very very strong.
Okay. Britik kugon. In the Philippines, we call that kugon.
Kogon.
Kugon grass.
Does it look like a grass? A big
Yeah,
grass?
big
yeah.
grass, yeah.
Okay.
Ah,
We also have that.